Houston's climate is tough on homes, and doors often feel the impact first. With long stretches of heat, intense humidity, heavy rain, and the occasional tropical storm, choosing the right replacement door material isn't just about looks. It's about comfort, durability, energy efficiency, and long-term value. If you're planning a door replacement in Houston, selecting a material that can handle these conditions will save you money and frustration down the road. Here's a homeowner-friendly guide to the best replacement door materials for Houston's hot and humid weather. Fiberglass doors. A top choice for Houston homes, fiberglass doors are one of the most popular options for Houston homeowners, and for good reason. They're designed to handle extreme heat and moisture without warping, swelling, or cracking. Unlike wood, fiberglass doesn't absorb humidity, which makes it ideal for Houston's muggy summers. Another major benefit is energy efficiency. Fiberglass doors typically have insulated cores that help keep cool air inside during scorching days. That means lower energy bills and a more comfortable indoor environment. On top of that, fiberglass doors can mimic the look of real wood, offering curb appeal without the maintenance headaches. Steel doors. Strength meets energy efficiency. Steel doors are another excellent option for Houston's climate. They're highly durable, resistant to warping, and strong enough to withstand harsh weather conditions. Many steel replacement doors come with foam insulation, helping block heat transfer and improve indoor comfort. For homeowners concerned about security, steel doors provide added peace of mind. They're tough, impact-resistant, and perform well during severe storms. With proper coatings and finishes, modern steel doors are also resistant to rust and corrosion, which is essential in humid environments like Houston. Vinyl and composite doors. Low-maintenance and moisture-resistant vinyl and composite doors are designed specifically to combat moisture-related issues. These materials don't rot, rust, or swell, making them a smart option for Houston homeowners who want durability with minimal upkeep. Composite doors often combine materials like fiberglass, PVC, and wood fibers to create a strong, stable product. The result is a door that resists humidity, maintains its shape, and offers solid insulation. Vinyl doors, while more commonly used for patio or sliding applications, also perform well in high humidity conditions and are easy to maintain. Why solid wood doors struggle in Houston? While solid wood doors are undeniably beautiful, they're not always the best match for Houston's climate. High humidity can cause wood to expand, warp, and crack over time. Frequent maintenance, such as sealing, painting, and refinishing, is required to keep wood doors performing well in hot and humid weather. For homeowners who love the look of wood, wood-look fiberglass doors offer a practical alternative that delivers the same visual appeal without the climate-related issues. Energy efficiency matters more than ever in Houston. A replacement door isn't just an entryway, it's part of your home's cooling system. Choosing materials with strong insulation properties helps reduce heat gain, keeps indoor temperatures stable, and lowers air conditioning costs. Look for doors with insulated cores, tight weather stripping, and proper sealing to maximize performance. Making the right choice for your home. The best replacement door material for your Houston home depends on your priorities, whether that's energy efficiency, durability, security, or low maintenance. Fiberglass and steel doors consistently stand out as top performers in hot and humid conditions, while composite and vinyl options offer reliable moisture resistance. Investing in the right material means fewer repairs, better comfort, and long-term savings. When your door is built to handle Houston's climate, your home stays cooler, quieter, and more protected year-round.